Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to react to a message on Snapchat using BitMoji. With BitMoji reaction, it's easier than ever to share your feelings on Snapchat chat. There are 7 BitMoji emotions to choose from, so you'll have a quick and easy way to react to any message. This is a new feature within Snapchat, so as always, make sure you update your Snapchat by going to your App Store. Once you've updated it, open up your Snapchat app. Now open the chat tab at the bottom. Select a contact where you want to react using a BitMoji. Long press on a message. You should see this menu appear. You'll see 7 BitMoji which you can choose from. It has a wide range of reactions like in love, LOL, on fire, thumbs up, thumbs down, crying face, and a shocked face. Once you've tapped on the BitMoji, it will then be placed under that specific message. And that is how to react to a message on Snapchat using BitMoji. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.